stop the music. Okay, so you're probably wondering how we got this far. If you haven't watched the latest two videos, go and check those out because that's kind of where we started with taking the rear apart, flipping it around, and we're installing a lift kit in the back, 4 inches. So that's what you're going to see here. We're doing a 4-inch block in the back. We've already did lift spindles in the front. So keep watching. That's where we're pressing on. Alright, as you can see here, we're wrapping up the 4-inch blocks in the back on the rear axle. That's basically all you're seeing here. It's completed. And we'll move on to the rest of the stuff on the axle here. Alright, so here you're going to see me taking off the shock extenders because I don't need those anymore. They were on there from having it drop from before, and then we're going to be putting the shocks on. Now I just went with some rough country shocks for now. I know they're not the greatest in the world, but just to get this lift started, I went ahead and got those. So that's where we're at here, working on the shocks. guys, she is setting super high now. Looking way better. So now we just got to tighten all this stuff up. Alright guys, thanks for still tuning in if you made it this far. Now as you can see there, we got the lift all together. Now as you can notice in the truck, there's a pretty good little rake where the front is a lot lower than the back. I haven't turned the coilovers yet all the way up as far as I could get them. So that's the reason why there's such a big difference there between the front and the back. And then also, as you could see when I went around the truck, you know how with the General Motors, when you do a lift kit, the front tires kick out further than the back tires. So we got some spacers coming in order to equal out the front and the rear tires of sticking out as far as outside of the truck. So yeah, definitely got some more videos coming on all that I just talked about, and a whole lot more on the OBS. So thanks for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.